Digits on the beat.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I've posted, but you know I've been busy. But before we get into the video, I know y'all saw that fire intro video. Man, thanks to my boy Dom. Shout out to you, bro. Let me know down in the comment section what you think of my new intro video. All right, so let's jump into the video. So today's topic, what we're going to be discussing is my new diffuser that I bought for the Berserker. My new rear diffuser that I ordered for the Berserker. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. This video, I'm going to talk about the price, where I ordered it from, and the quality of DuraFlex's parts. So, the rear diffuser that I ordered is DuraFlex Grid Rear Diffuser. So, the part itself cost about $430. I ordered it from a website called Rick's Camaro. So I received the bumper in, you know, I took it out of the sleeve, I checked the quality of it, and the quality is trash, honestly. DuraFlex has some of the trashiest quality of parts. Now, as you can see, the diffuser itself, it looks aggressive, you know what I mean? It looks aggressive, it looks good. But the quality of the material of this diffuser is trash. And I say that because this is not the first, this is the second part I ordered from DuraFlex, and it's been trash. The fitment is not direct, which I mean, I wouldn't expect it to be direct because it's an aftermarket part, but still it should fit somewhat decent, you know? But with this, my body shop could not get this thing on the car. I took it there and told them, you know, I want it painted gloss black to match the theme of the Berserker, you know, to match the theme of the Berserker. So when they called me, they tried to put it on the car. They said, we want you to come look at how it looks. So what happened was, as you see, it has clips going all the way around here, which lines up with this right here. All those clips line up with that. But then when you come around to the side of the rear diffuser, there is no clips whatsoever. And as you can see, this thing is uneven. This side looks a little better than this side. This side is like, what the heck happened? Something been chewing on this thing, you know? So that's why I say DuraFlex has some of the worst quality of parts. But the part itself looks aggressive. That's why I ordered it. So I have a lot of cats on Instagram that I follow, you know, and they have the same exact diffuser. And I asked them, when you guys ordered your diffuser, did it look like this? Because my body shop could not get it on the car. Because the factory rear diffuser, there's clips here, here, and here, you know, so it can clip on to this bumper. But like, again, what I said, this one doesn't have it. So right now I'm on the fence of, do I try to call them and return it? Well, actually I didn't call them. I sent them an email and I said, hey, my diffuser has like some defects, you know, crack here, over there. And they told me that they don't think that's, you know, big enough for them to replace it. So I'm like, what do you mean you don't want to replace it? So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep fighting with them and, you know, seeing if they'll send me a replacement, because this is trash. Like, look at this. That is uneven as I don't know what. Like somebody just took a bite out of it. It's crazy. But yeah, I mean, I really like the diffuser, so I don't know if I want to keep it, send it back, or go to another body shop, see if they can, you know, make some of these clamps that can go onto the sides, or if I'm gonna just send it back in general and just go a different route and get another rear diffuser. But I mean, I love the way that it looks. Because look, it has the wings on the side, and as you can see, I have the side skirts, and then I have the ZL1 1LE front splitter, so I think it'll tie everything in together. That's why I went with that one. But if not, then I'll just go and get another rear diffuser, because this is ridiculous. Quality is just trash, man. It's trash. Good looking diffuser, but the quality is just trash. fitment is trash. I would never order another part, another DuraFlex part, put it like that. Because this is the second part I ordered. The first one was my first splitter I ever had on this Camaro. And that one was trash. The fitment on there was trash. Body shop had to do some extra fabrications to get that to fit. So, yeah, man, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the rear diffuser. I kept telling you guys I was going to order one, so here it is. Here's the inside of the rear diffuser, how it looks. I'm telling you, man, this is just like horrible, horrible, horrible. Look at this. It's horrible, man. Granted, I know you guys won't see this part once you put it on the car, but still, like, the quality of the part is trash. It's trash. Like, if I'm a company and I'm selling a part, I'm gonna make sure I have a Camaro in. I'm gonna make sure I have a Camaro so I can test fit everything to make sure everything fit right before I go out and start putting this on shelves so people can put it on websites so everybody can order it, knowing that it doesn't fit. That's scamming people. But yeah, man, don't ever order DuraFlex parts. I'm warning you now. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Look at this. It's just crap, man. It's crap. It's just crap. They also have another one that's carbon fiber. I'm not too sure on the quality of that one, of how it looks, if it's the same or not. You'll just have to take that chance. But I'm gonna, I guess, keep fighting and see if I can send it back. You guys let me know down in the comment section what I should do. Should I keep it, take it to another body shop, see if they can fabricate some of these little clamps on and even that other side out, or what? Just let me know what you guys think I should do in the comment section. Because I really like it. It's a really aggressive looking diffuser. But like I said, I don't know, like, if the other body shop has to fabricate all of that stuff and then paint it on top of that, there's no telling how much this is going to cost to install. You know, it might cost $1,000, $1,400 or something like that. I'm not trying to pay that to install a dang diffuser. You know what I'm saying? When I can go buy another one and me and my buddies can install it ourselves. So let me know what you guys think. In these next few clips, you're about to see the issues with the fitment that I was mentioning earlier in the video. Like, look at that. There's only one clamp. Look at that fitment right there. Look at that huge gap in between those. That one's not too bad. But look at those gaps. The fitment of this was horrible, as you can see. Horrible, no clips. Yeah, man, that's it for the video. I mean, but I cannot stress this enough. Do not buy parts from DuraFlex. Just do not do it. If you do, just be aware that fitment will be off. It's not direct. Fitment will be off, and then the quality of the part will be trash. So just letting you know. I'm forewarning you. Don't say I didn't forewarn you, because I did. So yeah, let me know what you think. Hit me down in the comment section. Give me a like. Give me a subscribe. Good feedback, bad feedback, any feedback is good feedback, and let me know what you guys would do if you were in my shoes, if you were in my situation. Also, turn that bell notification on so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. I'm going to try to do my best to upload more. I've just been real busy, you know, but I'm going to do my best to try to upload more. So that's all I got, and we out until the next video.